Today I'm gonna show you how to go from this super basic tombstone to this spooky looking one. But that's not all. We are also gonna set up my whole graveyard. I am super excited because I've never had one. So we are talking props, we are talking lights, and even a fog machine. Hey people, welcome to my channel. My name is Larissa, and today you're gonna come with me because we are making my very own cemetery. You know I love Halloween, but I've never had a little cemetery vibe. I have a few tombstones, like a few from this year, a few from like other years. I'm gonna put them all together, give them a little, touch, because we can't not do that. And then I'm gonna set them up outside, and I am so excited to take you with me, so let's go. I have black, I have white, brown, and green. And I'm just gonna kind of like go over a few spots with a little brush. Those brushes are like what, Dollar Tree probably. I have this pack of preserved moss that I got for like summer. I was making it wreath. And I have all of these leftovers. So I was thinking we could use some. I'm thinking just a little bit on some of the cracks. I have this pile of just old wood, so I just grabbed one of them and I cut it to size to fit each of the tombstones. That way it will not only add weight to the tombstones, but it will also serve as a base for the expanding foam that I'm gonna add soon. I have this drawer full of like random, whenever I just find them, I toss them here for whenever I need. So I'm gonna grab a few to use. Let's see. They're gonna be random because it's whatever I have here. So the idea is to have it flush here. So let's glue it first. We hot glue it. Now I'm just gonna screw it. Oh look! Na, na, na. I had some help. The song is I had some help. Anyway, I got a little excited with the song, but I just screwed it onto the wood. Basically just for the peace of mind because I already have it glued, but I did it anyways. So now we can move on to the foam. So this one was my first try, and the issue with it, looking more like snakes than actually dirt. I don't know if it was because this one, I used an old can of foam for this one, and it wasn't coming out of this spout. So I had to basically just wear gloves and try it a different way. But what I'm thinking is I'm gonna go over this so it doesn't look like the snakes. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I'm gonna do now. So yesterday I had to kind of just press this. Now let's see, because this is a brand new I'm gonna still put gloves on because, well, this gets messy. Machine lock. Oh, that's much better. The brand new can is working so much better, so I'm just gonna repeat the same step to all of them. Once it's completely expanded and dry, I'm gonna spray paint it black. But here is the trick. Before the black spray paint is dry, I'm gonna throw some real dirt to make it look more realistic. And I feel like this is what's gonna make those tombstones really come to life. Oh, I almost forgot to show you this. I found this huge tombstone at Dollar Tree. Like, I mean, huge. Look at the size compared to me. And I did the same thing to this one as well because I couldn't pass on this. I really couldn't pass on this. Since this one is huge though, I had to make sure to reinforce the back by hot gluing a PVC pipe to the back of it. And then I used the same expanding foam to hold the pipe in place. So we place this bar here in, and it's like it's there. So now I can just come with this tombstone and slide it in, and it won't move. It's there. For this small one, they do come with a little, thing. But I was thinking of using chopsticks. That way it goes more in there. There. Just put the chopsticks on, because I think this will hold them up better than what it comes with. And here, I'm gonna remove them. And then I have the holes here that I just made. Just gonna I got those solar light at the Dollar Tree, so I thought it would be fun to put them facing the tombstones. I think that's gonna be super cool, and they are solar, so that's perfect. So I have this like Dollar Tree thing. I've had it for a while now. It's like for hanging, but I was thinking I could put it right here. I actually did already try. That's why the arms are like bent already. I have this skull that I have a hole here because I used to use it with a candle here, so it was kind of like a candle holder. I made it like a few years ago, but I was thinking for this to put it here, and since it has a hole, I thought I could put the knife, well, this way, the knife in there and just have it in front of one of the grave things. I'm just trying to use everything I have here. We shall see what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna remove from it. I just found this that I got a while ago. I think, I don't remember when, but I thought it would be super nice to have in one of them. Okay, so now I have a few rats and spiders. I have a bunch of those. It came with one of the tombstones. So I'm gonna just put them around. Okay, so now I wanna go ahead and put some, it's like window decor. It's not gonna look pretty from the inside, but It's really thin. I feel like it's like a one use kind of thing. I placed this light just like randomly around. Let's see at night how it looks. During the day it's kind of but let's see. Right on the see that. And then those. So the skeleton is actually for the floor. I just placed on the floor. Here. That's perfect. A little spider web. So I have some bats inside, but they're smaller. I got this pack on Amazon and Dollar Tree. At Dollar Tree, and they are way bigger. So I thought I would do a mix and match with this one with the smaller one. And there was no secret here, I just used command strips. Then I found those ghosts at Dollar Tree and I thought they would be the perfect addition to this graveyard. So I just used that thing that you use to keep the plant up. I stuck that onto the soil and then I stuck the ghost onto that. That sounded violent, but bear with me here because it's gonna look super cute at the end. So I have those dead plants. Don't judge. I tried my best. But they never really revived. And I never even took them out of the thing that they came in. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put that in my graveyard. Hey, at least they're being used. But we have more important things to worry about, like if my fog machine is gonna work. I've never had one, so I am super excited. I think it does. With that, I'm gonna leave you with the spooky music and just wait for it to be night because I'm telling you, it's worth it.